Broiled lamb roll. Yield 6 servings. 1½ pounds ground lamb shoulder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/8 of a teaspoon pepper. 1/4 teaspoon marjoram. 1 tablespoon Worcester sauce. 3/4 cup club cracker crumbs. 3 tablespoons water. 1/2 pound sliced bacon. Mix together lamb, seasoning, club cracker crumbs, and water. Arrange strips of bacon lengthwise side by side, slightly overlapping, on a sheet of waxed paper. Spread lamb mixture evenly all over bacon. Roll as a jelly roll. Wrap in the waxed paper. Refrigerate until firm enough to slice. Place toothpicks a long roll 1 inch apart and cut in 6 equal slices. Broil 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on one side. Turn and broil 7 to 10 minutes.